Alrighty. Last minute tips for taking the NCLEX. This is the kind of stuff that I teach in my NCLEX program because we got to come at it from every angle. We can't just do lecture content and practice questions. You got to learn how to be a good test taker. You got to get a hold of your test anxiety, all that stuff. But last minute tips, get 8 hours of sleep 2 days before. Avoid processed foods and too many stimulants like energy drinks. I want you to eat good, healthy, whole foods, green leafy vegetables, nuts for 2 days before. And then the day of the exam, I want you to wear layers because it's going to be freezing. Bring your ID, water, and snacks into the testing center. Every 5 questions, do some breathing exercises because you're going to be shallow breathing because you're nervous. And then every 30, 35 questions, get up out of your seat, go to the bathroom, get some water, go eat a whole granola bar, all of that, because I want you to have longevity and stamina in this type of exam. When you don't have stamina, you can risk really getting burnt out towards the end of the exam. And I think that's what happens with a lot of people when they fail getting all the questions and then they're near passing in all the categories. They probably started off really strong and then they lost it towards the end. So you want that freshness and stamina throughout the whole exam. I love you. Good luck. Let me know if you pass.